with you.
Hello, little space explorers! Rocket ship, sparkling light. Welcome back to another fun drawing adventure. Today, we're traveling far beyond the clouds, past the moon, and into the sparkling galaxy to draw a friendly little alien flying in a colorful UFO. Do you have your paper ready? Do you have your pencil ready? Wonderful! Let's take our time and draw together one step at a time. Imagine a tiny alien traveling through space. This alien is very friendly. It loves making new friends and visiting colorful planets. Today, it has flown all the way here to draw with us. Let's begin. First, draw a nice round shape near the top of your paper. This will be the alien's head. Take your time and make it nice and smooth. Our little alien is already excited to meet us. Now, let's draw the left eye. Make a large oval shape on the left side of the face. This big eye helps our alien see shining stars, glowing comets, and distant planets. Next, draw the right eye. Make another large oval shape on the right side. Try to make it about the same size as the first eye. Now, our alien can see the whole galaxy. Let's add a happy smile. Draw a small curved smile underneath the eyes. This little smile shows that our alien is kind, cheerful, and ready for adventure. Wonderful! Our alien already looks very friendly. Now, let's draw the neck. Under the head, add a small, simple shape. This is the alien's neck and upper body. The alien is sitting comfortably inside its spaceship. Can you imagine where the alien has traveled from? Maybe a rainbow planet? Maybe an ice planet? Maybe a planet made entirely of candy? Now, let's draw the big space dome. Starting on one side of the alien, draw a large curved line over the head. Bring the line down to the other side. This creates a giant clear dome. The dome protects our little friend while it zooms through space. Imagine looking through the dome window. You might see stars twinkling everywhere. You might see planets spinning slowly. You might even see a friendly rocket flying by. Next, let's draw the top section of the UFO. Under the dome, create a wide, curved shape. This forms the upper deck of the flying saucer. The spaceship is beginning to take shape. Now, let's extend the UFO outward. Draw the curved side sections stretching to the left and right. Make them wide and smooth. A UFO needs plenty of room to fly comfortably through space. Look how much bigger our spaceship is becoming.
Next, let's add the panel lines. Draw several lines from the dome area down toward the edge of the UFO. These lines divide the spaceship into different sections. Maybe one section holds the controls. Maybe another section holds snacks for the journey. Maybe another section stores maps of distant galaxies. Great work, little artist. Now let's draw the UFO lights. Add one circle near the left side. Draw a second circle. Draw a third circle in the middle. Draw a fourth circle. And now draw the fifth circle on the far right. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent counting. These special lights help the UFO glow brightly while traveling through space. Now let's draw the bottom section of the flying saucer. Under the main UFO body, draw a large, smooth, curved shape. This is called the lower hull. The lower hull helps the spaceship stay balanced while it flies. Imagine the UFO floating quietly through the stars. Whoosh, smooth and gentle. Now let's draw the landing pods. These are the UFO's little feet. Draw one rounded pod underneath. Now draw the second pod. And finally, draw the third pod. Wonderful. These landing pods help the UFO land softly on planets. Imagine the UFO landing on the moon. Boop! Imagine it landing on a blue planet. Boop! Imagine it landing on a purple planet. Boop! Amazing work! Take a moment to look at your drawing. You created a smiling alien, a giant dome, a colorful flying saucer, glowing lights, and landing pods. Now it's time for the most colorful part. Let's start coloring. First, choose a bright blue color. Color the entire lower hull of the UFO blue. Take your time. Color carefully inside the lines. Blue makes the spaceship look shiny, cool, and ready for adventure. Can you imagine this blue spaceship flying across the galaxy? Whoosh! Next, grab your yellow crayon or marker. Color the alien's head yellow. Our alien looks warm, cheerful, and friendly. Now color all 5 UFO lights yellow too. These glowing lights help guide the spaceship through the darkness of space. The UFO is starting to sparkle. Wonderful coloring. Now let's use bright red. Color the entire upper deck of the UFO red. Take your time and fill in all the sections. Red makes the spaceship look exciting, powerful, and easy to spot among the stars. Look at all those beautiful colors working together. Red, yellow, blue. What a fantastic combination. Your drawing is complete. Let's look at everything we created together. We drew a round alien head, big friendly eyes, a cheerful smile, a small neck, a giant protective dome, a wide flying saucer, 5 glowing lights, a smooth lower hull, and 3 landing pods. Then we colored everything with bright yellow, shiny blue, bold red, and deep black. What an amazing space adventure. Our little alien is smiling from inside the UFO. Maybe it will visit Saturn. Maybe it will fly past the moon. Maybe it will discover a brand new planet no one has ever seen before. Or maybe it will come back tomorrow for another drawing adventure with you. Thank you for drawing with me today, little artist. Keep practicing, keep creating, keep exploring. And always remember, every line you draw can become a brand new adventure among the stars. See you next time, space explorers. Bye-bye. Rocket Sparkle's alien glowing star.
Hello, I love you. Come back soon. Let's draw with me and play again.
I had so much fun drawing with you today. You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!